Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention in this short video. You're going to learn how to become a top earner in any network marketing opportunity using the internet without recruiting friends and family, without doing meetings, without prospecting strangers. This is based on what I've done to go from ground zero to a multiple six-figure income from home, become a top producer in my own opportunity, hit $30,000 months, taking my business beyond that. Very, very powerful stuff. Going to start the training in a moment. At any point, click the link right below this video, enter your email address, get my online sponsoring video bootcamp. You'll get one training video per day in your inbox over the next 10 days, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, how to sponsor reps, much more than I can put into just this video. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Best training guide in the industry, hands down, how to grow your business using the internet. The author, Fernie Ceballos, MIT graduate, 8-figure income earner. The guy's basically a marketing genius. This is the blueprint that I followed to hit $30,000 months. Get this guide. It is unbelievably valuable. All right, let's get right into the training. Step 1, build a list. Build a list, and by list I mean generate leads online so you have an ever-growing list of leads. You will run out of friends and family to talk to about your opportunity. You have to generate your own leads so you have a constant flow of people that you can introduce your opportunity to and your products to. Your list of leads is an asset. There's an expression, the money's in the list. Not only does it give you an audience to constantly put your opportunity in front of and sell your products to, but if you decide to change network marketing companies, for any reason, maybe the comp plan changes, management goes in a direction you don't like, you can't take your downline with you. That's forbidden by your network marketing company. But when you've got your own list of leads, you can promote your new opportunity to your list, and just like that, you've got a downline. This is how people build downlines very quickly in this industry, when you build a list. Step 2, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You can't just generate leads and then pitch them your opportunity or pitch them your products. That's not going to work. You must cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The way to do this effectively, send short business tips out to your audience that will help them grow their business. Could be blog posts, could be live streams, could be short videos. Keep it simple. Just summarize a little bit that you have learned from a training video or a webinar or a course that you've gone through or something you heard in an event. Just be the messenger. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to originate this content. Think of any teacher that you've had, elementary school, high school, college, doesn't matter. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarized the textbook. That's all you need to do. Just be the messenger. Just be the messenger. Don't need prior results. Just be the messenger. When you've done this, you'll have a very warm audience. Now you sell to your list. Sell to your audience, recruit them into your opportunity, sell them your company's products if you want to focus on retailing products. This is how I recruited over 200 people into one opportunity, built a very successful business. Got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link right below this video. Enter your email address. Get my 10-day online sponsoring video bootcamp. One training video per day over the next 10 days. How to generate leads online effectively. How to recruit reps online effectively. How to sell product online effectively so you build a very successful business. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. Hands down, best training guide in the industry. No question. How to grow a very large business using the internet. This is the guide in much more detail that I followed to recruit over 200 people into my opportunity. A lot more detail than I can put in any single video. The author, Fernie Ceballos, MIT graduate. The guy's done over $10 million online. He's basically a marketing genius. One of my mentors. Get this guide. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.